I just want to check that thing out. That's quite the trike. What kind of a...
I'm headed over to a friend's house right now and redoing my weld.
Oh, wow. Oh, you welded this part onto here?
Yeah, I gotta go redo it.
What kind of a motor is that? Is that a Honda or?
Two-stroke GY6.
Huh. That's quite the deal. Got
Part golf cart, part dirt bike, part golf cart, part four-wheeler, part scooter, part dirt bike, part custom.
that is crazy. Mad mods on the wheels. So you got twist throttle.
Yeah, so I built the forks on there. I don't have a cast put on it yet. I will.
It's chopped out there, no doubt.
Look at that bike for sure.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Thank you for letting me look at it. That's quite the ride, guys, right there. I just had to show you that. Kind of unique. I guess it worked. Hey, if you ain't got nothing, something better than nothing.